Hey everyone, Rich with the Fireplace by Magic Touch in Mesa, Arizona. I'm standing here in our design center, and today I just wanted to kind of point out, besides obviously having lots of fireplaces here in the showroom to pick from, gas, electric, you name it, we also have a lot of surround and remodel type products that you can add to your fireplace and remodel your entire room. One example, we have about 20 different colors, as you can see here, of acoustic wall panels. If you want to see an example of what that looks like installed, that fireplace there right behind me is a great example of that. Another option we have is lots of stone fascia. And this comes in all different styles and colors, everything from stacked stone to just a flat stone. I'm going to show you kind of a application here that we did here above our media wall right here. There is some stacked stone that we did above for that area, for this stone here. Another example would be over here inside our, pardon our dust, we're still under some construction over here. We have a gas fireplace over here with a really nice white and gray stacked stone. So anyway, come check us out, the Fireplace by Magic Touch, Mesa, Arizona. Thanks guys, bye.